How's it going, guys? We're going to do an oil change on the LR3. This one's a V6 engine, so it's only going to take 6 quarts of oil. So just make sure you have your 13mm socket wrench, new drain plug, oil filter, and an oil filter wrench if you need, and then of course your drain pan. And it does have a skid plate with 10 13mm bolts, so you'll have to remove that to get access to the oil drain plug. Alright, so just remove the skid plate. This is the front of the vehicle, so just above the skid plate, this is the oil pan, and that is your drain plug right there. It's a 13mm bolt. Probably gonna make a mess because once I take it off, it's gonna hit this right here. And then above this is the oil filter. And before you start working under the car, you'll want to take off the oil cap, just so gravity helps the oil flow out better. And once it's at a slow drip, you can go ahead and just clean it up a little bit and then replace the drain plug. And make sure when you're putting it on, you're just getting it finger tight, and then you'll want to make it snug with the socket wrench. That should be good right there. And the oil filter is in an awkward position. It goes straight up, which is nice, but there's not a whole lot of room to work with, so I couldn't use my oil filter wrench. I had to run out and grab some oil filter pliers, which did the job. Alright, new oil filter is on. Now you'll just clean up any messes that you see, and then you'll put the skid plate back on. And once you finish up down there, then you're good to go to start filling it up with oil. After that, you'll just replace your filler cap and start her up. And that's it. Everything's sounding good. We'll just have to check for leaks the next couple days. But that is how you do the oil change on an LR3 with the V6 4-liter engine. The placement's a little different compared to the V8, so I know there aren't a lot of YouTube videos on the V6 engine. So there you go. Hope you found this to be helpful, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.